In this lesson, we'll use the same pattern to add cards for movies from a database. Cards can be created to display any type of data you want. After all, they're just views. For example, to display a movie card, you could create a view with an image view for artwork and a text view for the title. Here we'll actually use an image card view, which is provided by the Leanback library. First, let's take a quick look at what our movies database looks like. I'm back inside the load rows method now, and I'm going to uncomment the line that loads our dummy database. By the way, our dummies database is actually going to pull images over the web, so you'll need an internet connection from here on out. Let's check out the movie class. Basically, a movie is a simple container class with a title and a description and a couple of images that we'll get to later. The setUpMovies method creates 5 movies with this data. Now we'll create cards to display these. Back inside the load rows method, I'm going to undo the comments that I did earlier. And by the way, the UI that we're going to create will contain rows of 5 videos organized randomly and repeated. First, we'll create a presenter that we can use to create views for our movies. Let's take a look inside this class. Scrolling down a bit, as before, there are 2 methods we care about, onCreateViewHolder and onBindViewHolder. This time, instead of a text view, onCreateViewHolder creates a view using an image card view. This is a class provided by Leanback, and it's a card with a picture and some text. Whereas previously we passed a string to our presenter, here we pass a movie object. We cast the parameter to the appropriate type, and this time we set multiple fields on the view. In this loop, we create our rows of cards. In a real app, these would be organized in some sensible way. Here we just randomly create rows of 5 cards and assign them a category name. As before, we need to create an object adapter that will hold the presenter that's used to create views for movies, as well as the movies themselves. Here's where we add movies from our database to it. And now we create the header item that will be used for the category name. Then we wrap the header and our list of 5 movies into a list row. And we add that list row to the object adapter we previously created that has our list row presenter. Run your project at this point and see what you get.